My name is Sarah. I live in the United States. I live in a small apartment in a quiet city. My life is simple, and I like my simple life. I do the same things every morning. This helps me feel calm and ready. Today, I want to tell you about my morning routine. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. My alarm clock rings next to my bed. The sound is loud, but I am used to it. I open my eyes slowly and look at the ceiling. The room is quiet. The air feels cool. The sun is just starting to rise, and the light is soft. I feel sleepy, but I know it is time to wake up. I stay in bed for a few moments. I stretch my arms above my head and stretch my legs. My body feels stiff, but the stretch feels good. I take a deep breath and let it out slowly. I feel calm. I look at the clock again to make sure of the time. It is 6 o'clock. I smile a little and sit up on the bed. I put my feet on the floor and stand up. The floor is cold and it wakes me up more. I walk slowly to the window and open it a little. Fresh morning air comes into the room. I take another deep breath. The air smells clean. I look outside and see the street, the trees, and a few cars. Some people are walking to work. The city is waking up, just like me. After a short moment, I close the window and turn back to my room. I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the light, and the room becomes bright. I look at myself in the mirror. My hair is messy, and my face looks sleepy. I smile at myself because this is how every morning starts. I pick up my toothbrush and put toothpaste on it. I turn on the water and start to brush my teeth. I brush slowly and carefully. I brush the top teeth and the bottom teeth. I brush the front and the back. I take my time. When I finish, I rinse my mouth with water and spit into the sink. My mouth feels clean and fresh. Next, I wash my face. I turn on the cold water and splash it on my face. The water feels cold, but it wakes me up. I dry my face with a towel and look in the mirror again. My face looks clean now. I feel more awake and ready to move. I leave the bathroom and walk back to my bedroom. I open my closet and look at my clothes. I like simple clothes. I choose a clean shirt, a pair of pants, and socks. I get dressed slowly. I put on my shirt, then my pants, and then my socks. The clothes feel comfortable. I look in the mirror and check myself. I look neat and ready for the day. Before leaving the room, I make my bed. I pull the blanket up and fix the pillow. The bed looks nice and clean. A clean bed makes the room feel peaceful. I like starting my day with a tidy space. Then I walk to the kitchen. I turn on the light and the kitchen becomes bright. The kitchen is small, but it is clean. I take my favorite coffee cup from the shelves. I like this cup because it feels warm in my hands. I start to make coffee. I pour water and add coffee. Soon the smell of coffee fills the kitchen. I wait for a moment and then take a small sip. The coffee is hot and strong. It tastes good. I smile again. Coffee helps me feel awake and focused. I sit at the table and enjoy my coffee slowly. After that, I prepare a simple breakfast. I eat bread and fruit. I chew slowly and enjoy the quiet morning. I do not use my phone. I like this quiet time. It helps me feel relaxed before a busy day. When I finish eating, I wash my cup and clean the table. I look at the clock on the wall. It is 7 o'clock now. I know it is almost time to leave. I go back to my bedroom and pick up my bag. I check my phone and see no new messages. I put my phone and keys into my bag. I wear my shoes and tie the laces carefully. Before leaving, I look around my apartment one last time. Everything looks good. The bed is made. The kitchen is clean. I feel satisfied. I open the door and step outside. The air outside is cool and fresh. The street is busier now. Cars are moving and people are walking fast. I walk to the bus stop and wait. When the bus arrives, I get on and sit near the window. I look outside as the bus moves through the city. I see shops, buildings, and people starting their day. Some people look tired. Some people look happy. I sit quietly and enjoy the ride. I feel calm and ready for work. After some time, the bus stops near my office. I get off and walk to the building. The building is tall and busy. I open the door and go inside. My morning routine is complete. This is my morning routine. I wake up, brush my teeth, get dressed, make coffee, eat breakfast, and go to work. I do the same things every day. My life is simple, but I like it. Simple routines help me feel happy, calm, and